Okay, thank you very much, Dorota. It's been really an incredible couple of days. It's going to be difficult to wrap this up. We've experienced a remarkable journey, I would say, with discovery, exploration, collaboration around all these themes. And as we wrap it up, I personally, and I hope you too, at home or in your offices, wherever you have joined us from, feel are left inspired really by the depth and breadth of innovation and collaboration that we have witnessed, and that we now know it's absolutely imperative to find solution to the most pressing global challenges that we face. We kicked off yesterday the Genomic Forum 2024 with a compelling keynote from David Alsholer. I think his insight into drug discovery really bridges vast experience in academia, clinical practice, and industry. His talk set a profound tone, I would say, for the discussions that followed, where we looked at the transformative potential of genome engineering technologies in healthcare. We heard about the groundbreaking therapies, including advanced CAR T-cell treatments and other innovative approaches that are targeting regulatory and epigenetic landscape. We also looked at the exciting capability of Aspect Biosystems in 3D bioprinting, opened our eyes to the horizons of tissue engineering. Today, we changed really chapter, and we've been taken into the world of bioproducts and their potential. Bioproducts development by another brilliant keynote given by Professor Orlando Rojas. This also was followed by an exciting panel discussion that really has highlighted some spectacular examples, particularly the one from Light One, the microbial color company. And in general, we've heard an urgent need for a pan-Canadian strategy around bioproduct development that really aligns with the national efforts and propels this emerging industry forward. And lastly, the last panel, we heard a very interesting and stimulating discussion about the use of genome engineering in conservation of species. They've explored these powerful tools and how they can be used to prevent the loss of our species and ecosystem. We've heard about the ethical implication of thinking about doing this, and really showcased throughout the entirety of the forum the critical role of genomics in these approaches and moving forward. I am left with a message that I think our keynote speakers have reinforced, and is a crucial message, and that is that while we stand on the brink of this revolutionary breakthrough in personalized medicines and sustainable bioproducts, our journey really has just begun, and that there is still so much to learn about biology, and we must continue to emphasize and sustain, I think, the generation of this foundational knowledge moving forward. And for that, I am very excited, as this aligns perfectly with our vision at Genome BC as we strive to address most pressing challenges through genomics. And so I really look forward to moving forward some of these conversations. And now I just would like to thank you all for your active participation and contributions. I do have my deepest appreciation for all of our speakers, our panelists, our moderators, which have very generously shared their perspective, experience, and knowledge, and of course, passion that has come through very loudly. And their insights have been invaluable and to advancing, of course, the frontiers forwards, and they've been very inspiring. I also want to express my gratitude to the audience, both here in British Columbia and to those that have joined us from across the globe. Certainly, your engagement is what continues to be the driving force behind the forum's success, and so I really do thank you all. And the last but not least, the unsung heroes that makes these forums happen, and that is all of the individuals at Genome BC behind the scenes that have made these last 2 days possible and smooth for all of us to enjoy. So as a reminder, all of the sessions within the Genomic Forum have been recorded and will be available for viewing very soon. We encourage you to revisit the discussion, share them as much as you like with your colleagues, continues the conversation. Additionally, I would like to invite you to just check your emails in your inboxes for a link to a survey so that you can share your feedback and insight, which is very, very important to us. Thank you once again for your participation and your dedication. And goodbye. And we'll see you at Genome BC Genomics Forum in 2025.